Okay, now we proceed to the next learning outcomes. Okay, so at the end of the lesson, you should be able to perform operations on matrices. Okay, operations of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition or subtraction of two matrices is only defined when they have the same order. Okay, so keyword here, same order. For example 1, okay, we have matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for matrix A is 2 times 2 matrix. And we have B, matrix B, 4, 3, negative 5, 6. So matrix B also have 2 times 2 matrix. Find A, matrix A plus matrix B, and for the B, matrix B minus matrix A. Okay. Okay, the first one, matrix A plus matrix B. Okay, so we write down the element of matrix A, which are, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, plus element of matrix B, we have 4, 3, negative 5, 6. Okay, and then okay, so for the addition of two matrices, we need to add the same element. Okay, for matrix A, the first element A11 is number 1, and for the matrix B, for the first element is number 4. Okay. Okay, and then for A12, second element is 2 plus 3, and then 3 plus negative 5, and last we have element 4 plus 6. And then we just add up the element. So we have 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus negative 5, and 4 plus 6. So for the answer is 5, 5, negative 2, 10. Okay. Okay, let's look for the B. Okay, B, we have matrix B minus matrix A. So for matrix B, just rewrite 4, 3, negative 5, 6 minus matrix A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so check for the elements. So the first one, for the first element A11, we have 4 and 1, because we need to 4 minus 1. Second element is, which is equal to 3, and for second element we have 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. And then next we have negative 5 minus 3 equal to negative 8. And for the last one, 6 minus 4, we have 2. Okay, so the answer is 3, 1, negative 8, 2. Okay. Okay, scalar multiplication. Okay, F if C is a scalar and matrix A equal to Aij, then CA equal to CAIJ. Okay, for example 2, we have matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4 and matrix B 4, 3, negative 5, 6. Okay, so the question asks find 3a minus 2b. So we have scalar here. 3 times matrix A minus 2 scalar here times matrix B. Okay, so for the solution, okay, 3 times matrix A minus 2 times matrix B. Okay, we just write down the scalar 3 times with matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4 minus scalar 2 matrix B 4, 3, negative 5, 6. Okay, and then first we need to multiply the scalar with the elements inside. Okay, for example, we multiply 3 times 1, and then 3 times 2, 3 times 3, and 3 times 4 minus scalar 2 times with element inside 2 times 4, 2 times 3, and then 2 times negative 5, and 2 times 6. Okay. Multiplication of matrices. Okay, the product of two matrices A and B is defined only when the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Okay. If order of matrix A is m times n and the order of matrix B is n times p, then product of matrix AB has order m times p. Okay, but notice here, AB does not equal to BA. Okay. Okay, so matrix A, the order is m times n. Matrix B, n times B. So when we apply the product of the two matrices, we got matrix AB, and for the order is m times B. Okay. Okay, so we can see here. So for the first matrix, we have the order m times n. Second matrix, we have n times p. So have the same numbers for the n here. Okay, these numbers must be equal. So the product must be have the order m times p. Okay. Attention, and attention. Okay. Okay, please note this one. A row and a column must have the same number of entries in order to be multiplied. Okay, so remember this. Okay, multiplication of two matrices. Okay, let's look. We have matrix R, so element is A1, A2, A3 until AN. And we have matrix C, the element B1, B2, B3 until Bn. So the product of RC equal to A1, B1 plus A2, B2 plus A3, B3 until plus AN, BN. Okay. So this one, number 3, let we have a matrix A 2, 5, 1. Okay, represent first one row. Okay, first row, and matrix B, we have 0, 3, 2 represent the first column. So we need to find product of matrix AB. Okay, so we can see here 2 times 0. Okay, 2 times 0, 2 times with 0, we got 0 here, plus, okay, example 4, let matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, find A squared. Okay, A squared here represent the product of matrix A, which is matrix A times matrix A. Okay, so let's write the solution. Okay, so the simple method we can.
Okay, so for example 4, we want to find the A squared, which is A squared equal to matrix A times with matrix A. Okay, so we have the matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to find the product of A, so the simple way is we just write the matrix A so the element is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we put another matrix A at the top. So the element is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to find the product of AA, we just multiply 1 with number 1, which is we got 1 plus 2 times 3 equal to 6. So 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Okay, next 1 times 2, 2 plus 2 times 4 is equal to 10. Okay, then 3 times 1, 3 plus 4 times 3 is 12, and we got 15. And then 3 times 2, 6 plus 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 plus 6 equal to 22. Okay, so the product of A equal to, we just take out the element 7, 10, 15, 22. 7, 10, 15, 20 is your product of AA.
We go to the next example, example 5. Okay, this one for product of 3 times 3 matrix. Okay, we have matrix A, negative 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, and matrix B, 2, negative 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, negative 1. Okay, and the question asks for the product of AB. Okay,
Okay, now we move to the next example, example 5, to find the product of AB. So we use the same way. So we have matrix A Okay, we have matrix A. The elements are -1, 2, 1. You just write down your matrix A. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. Multiply with matrix B right at the top. Okay, matrix B here. The elements are, we have number 2, -1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, -1. Okay, and then to find the product of AB, we just multiply -1 with number 2. We got -2 plus 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 times 1, which is 1. So -2 plus 6 plus 1, we got 5. Okay, for next element. Okay, first row, -1 times -1, got 1, 2 times 2, positive 4, plus 1 times 4, 4, we got 9. And next, we have -1 times 2, -2, plus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 times -1 is -1. So we got -1. And for second row, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times 3, 12, plus 5 times 1, 5, equal to 23. And then we have 3 times -1, -3, plus 4 times 2, 8, plus 5 times 4, 20. So we got 25. And then we have 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times 1, 4, plus 5 times -1, -5. So we got 5. And then for third row, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 times 3, 9, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So we got 14. And then 2 times -1, -2, plus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 times 4, 4 equal to 8. And then 2 times 2, 4, plus 3 times 1, 3, plus 1 times -1, -1. So we got number 4. Okay, so for the last answer, the element of product AB is, we just take for the element 5, 9, -1, 23, 25, 5, 14, 8, and number 4. Okay, then for the last, we write the answer in the formatric form. The product of AB is 5, 9, -1, we have 23, 25, 5, 14, 8, 4. So this is the answer for product AB.